Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this luxury handbag that I got from Teddy Blake. Teddy Blake is a company that creates handbags designers for every style choice, unique designs, while also trying to keep the price points to affordable levels. Okay guys, I choose the Kim Stampatto 14 inches blue jeans. It looks amazing, a very luxury and durable. By the way, just in case you are interested in this luxury handbag, you can check on my description box below for a link. Well, the size is perfect for me and inside is very spacious. Once again, thanks a lot Teddy Blake for sending me this luxury handbag. They're also characterized by high quality handbags constructions, attention to the details, imaginative design, shape and durability. Teddy Blake made it possible by offering designer handbags with all the key characteristics of any high luxury houses and removing the 1 to 2,000 added to the handbag cost for just the label. With Teddy Blake, you enjoying luxury at a fair price always. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Bye.